everyone! I'm Lily. Today, we will learn 5 important prepositions. Let's begin. At. We use AT for specific time and place.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I look at the rainbow. I look at the rainbow.
I arrive at the airport. I arrive at the airport. I stop at the traffic light. In. We use in for inside something or area. I pour milk in a glass. I pour milk in a glass.
I swim in the pool. I swim in the pool.
I walk in the park.
I walk in the park. I study in the library. I study in the library.
On. We use on for surfaces and days.
I put my phone on the table. I put my phone on the table.
I ride on the bus. I ride on the bus. I clean my house on Saturday. I clean my house on Saturday.
I sit on the bench. I sit on the bench.
By. We use by for next to something or method. I wait by the elevator. I wait by the elevator. I travel by train. I travel by train. I pay by card. I pay by card. I camp by the river. I camp by the river. It's for. We use for a purpose or benefit. I buy this cake for myself. I buy this cake for myself. I save money for my holiday. I save money for my holiday. I go to the doctor for help.
I bake cookies for the party. I bake cookies for the party.
Can you write 5 sentences using these prepositions? Write them in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.